Welcome back, YouTube friends. If this is your first time on my channel, hi. I go by the name of Claudia Rose here for those of you who do not know. Now you know. If you do happen to like what you see here today, consider subscribing. I do a whole bunch of different things here on my channel, some of which may kind of tickle your fancy. So yeah, if you like what you see, subscribe to join my family. My family.
Ew, no.
Okay guys, so as you can tell by the title, this video will be about my unpopular opinion. Now I've seen many types of videos of this kind, all of which I enjoyed, all of which I laughed my hiney off, so I figured, why not? I think the reason why they also do so well is because people can relate. I mean, can or cannot relate, but nonetheless, like, it's still like popular opinion where it's interesting to watch, you know. My first unpopular opinion is coconut water. Okay, why? I just, y'all, I can't do coconut water. Like, I wanted to like it. I really did. I wanted to like it, but it's like, it's gross. It's freaking gross. To put it simply, I would say I think coconut water is kind of like the avocado of the water world, and I am not gonna hop on that train. I will catch the next one. It just tastes like salty sweat juice. I just can't. I blame advertising. And I blame marketing. Okay, because when they market it, it's, you know, it makes you feel all peaceful and serene and gets you calm, and it's, you know, tropical sandy beaches and a sexy celebrity, you know, holding it. Product placement, you know, and a little drink and a smile and a wink. No. I tried it, and I've tried multiple brands, so there I don't care if it makes my insides happy. It's not for me. Not for me today, tomorrow, or anywhere in the near future. Next one, I'm coming for Netflix, okay? Netflix keeps freaking recommending for me to watch Friends. Friends is not anything that I'm interested in watching at all. 10 seasons, and for what? It's all boring. I looked up on Wikipedia just for shits and giggles the description of the show. The description was 6 friends living in New York hanging out at a coffee bar. What? Like, oh, so exciting. That it makes me so highly intrigued I'd like to watch. No. I can't stand Friends. I don't know
why it's so popular.
And I hate to say this, I really do, but to be honest, it's just 6 white people who hang out with white people, and just white people. I'm sorry. This show is based in New York. Okay? Because it's just not full of diversity or anything, right? It's not the melting pot of, like, America or anything, right? I'm sorry. None of y'all had any black friends, any Spanish friends, any Asian friends?
What? Oh, hell no. Hold up. Huh? Oh, okay.
I mean, I'm sorry, Rachel, Monica, Joey, Phoebe, Chandler. You guys are not squad goals. Okay? Despite what you all may think, I hate Friends. Okay? I don't. It is not funny. There is no diversity. Hashtag not squad goals. Okay, I'm sorry whoever's feelings I'm hurting. It had to be said. Okay, you're just not. Netflix was really good. Like, speaking of Netflix, like, Netflix took off some shows that I have to say, like, why? Like, who is at the head center of the table calling the shots? Because I need to talk to you. They canceled the movie Moana, they canceled the movie Step Up, they canceled Spider-Man 3 and Trolls, which are all awesome movies, and I don't understand, like, who the hell is at the head table calling the shots, because it's just not acceptable. Plus, I mean, I don't want to knock Netflix. I don't want to knock Netflix too much, but I will say, like, majority of their options they have on there is a little bit too old. I really would suggest that they just modernize it a little bit, because sometimes I'm shipping. I cannot speak. Oh my god.
Pull up.
Frank.
Fade it.
I think Fuller House is on there.
Some young dude that I got.
Bandersnatch, which I was freaking floored by. Anybody else? Like, I low-key didn't realize that it was such an interactive show. In the beginning, it showed like the preview on like what it is, but I just thought it was like a weirdish Black Mirror-esque type like viewpoint to it, because that's just their style, until my husband was just like, no babe, I think you actually have to pick, and I was freaking lit. Like, that is new, that is some fresh shit, so I will commend them on that. But besides that and Bird Box and like all the other maybe like shows that are popular that have just been shifted to Netflix is done. You got so many other competitors out there that I think are bringing so much like fresh new content that's sometimes even better. So sorry Netflix, but you're canceled. Okay, football. And I'm sorry, I just don't think football is that fun to watch. Now, I will watch it for the eye candy. I will be honest. I mean, the tights and everything, when they're in that squatting position, I just... The only thing that I will say that I do like about football is like when it gets pretty close and pretty intense, that's when I'm like pretty much like, you know, on edge, like waiting to see who wins. Or definitely the insane catches in the touchdown zone. Like, I just pretty...
Call it a touchdown zone. Finish your video, you goddamn Yankee.
Touchdown...
The end zone.
Oh.
The touchdown zone?
Contrary to what you might believe, I do think blue cheese is one of the best freaking salad dressing there is. Okay, because I know it. Blue cheese kind of skeeves people out because, you know, it's practically moldy looking, I guess, with all the clumps it has in it. But I love blue cheese dressing. It tastes very tangy and salty, and just add a little cracked black pepper in there, splash some fruits in there, some mixed greens, some chicken. Guys, it'll change your life. Next thing that I can't stand is the word moist. Okay, someone said that recently and I was like, huh? Come again? Moist? That's how we're describing things now? Shit, like, it makes me feel weird. I don't know how to explain it.
Women hate the word moist. Hate it. Moist. I was like, what's going on over here? I don't really understand. Then I go, is it the word moist? It's the oist. Let that be a lesson, guys.
Like, I just don't use that word to describe awesome or lit or fantastic or like, no. Moist? I can't do it. It makes me think of dirty things and other, like, there are other words in the dictionary to choose from, and moist isn't one of them, okay? Contrary to what you might believe, I don't like the cream filling in Oreos. It grosses me out. I literally peel it back, shave the cream off, and eat the cookies. Granted, I mean, I think I can probably just find chocolate wafer cookies type things alone and not have to be charged the extra penny or two for the cream in it, or like just for the name Oreo. But I can't. I don't like it. Sorry, don't at me though. Okay, guys, I am like on this like health kick, health journey type of thing, which is all good in the hood. But one thing I can't hop on is freaking almond milk. What the f is almond milk? I get it that it's healthier and it's fewer calories and all that, but you know what? I'd rather just quit dairy. That's a lie. I love cheese and sour cream. I'll take that back. Like, it's canceled. And I try to hop on that bandwagon, especially like using it as a creamer, you know, just to splash a little dab of almond milk in my coffee and a little bit of honey.
Jesus Christ.
guys are lying. You're just lying to everybody. And I don't appreciate it. Catch me outside. How about it? This next one I think I will get some hate with, and I don't care because I am a proud fan of them. Nickelback. Why does everybody hate Nickelback? They're freaking awesome. I love me some Nickelback. I will jam out to almost all their albums in the car, blast it on the radio, freaking, you know, air guitar. Like, I don't care. Granted, I do think some of y'all are freaking lying. Okay, I think you low-key do like them. You just can't be openly vocal about it, and that's okay. You want to be, you know, attached to the crew that, you know, is like all about boycotting and anti-Nickelback. Do you? I'm not gonna judge, but I'm just saying they have some poppin' ass songs that are still lit, that I can still rock to, that I can still jam out to even this year. The next random ass thing on my list, spray cheese or cheese, what is it, babe? Cheese whiz. Shit is gross. I can't do it. Like, just, my husband loves it. Shit, he'll just spray it all in his mouth or spray it on a Ritz cracker. I can't do it. Yeah. To me, it's just like colored whipped cream. No, because whipped cream makes it sound like delightful, and it is not. It is the worst thing on the freaking planet. I can't. I'm done talking about it because I feel a little icky. Okay, guys, so that is it. That concludes this video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. It definitely helps out my channel, helps me be able to get seen on YouTube. And if you want to help me out, I'm almost close to 500 subscribers. And when I reach that threshold, I will be doing a giveaway. So please, if you can, if you'd like to share, sharing is caring, okay? Subscribe. If you liked what you see today, subscribe. I have a whole bunch of different things, like I said before in the beginning of the video. As always, guys, I thank you so much for watching, and by God's grace, I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.